Chapter number 12, proportion. This chapter is related with ratio. So first, what is the concept of this chapter? Before that, I want to explain by using some examples. What is a ratio? In a class, let's suppose number of boys equals to 8 and number of girls equals to 12. Now I want to calculate what is the ratio of boys to girls. So for that I have to divide number of boys divide by number of girls. So number of boys 8 upon number of girls 12. So 4 2 ja 4 3 ja. We got here 2 by 3 and 2 by 3 further we can write 2 ratio 3 which is 2:3. Clear? Then one another example. We are finding ratio of rupees 18 to rupees 27. So first we will write rupees 18 divide by rupees 27. So this rupee and rupee same, that means we have to cancel. 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27. We got here 2 by 3. Further we can write 2:3. Now as you can see, this is your ratio, example of ratio, and this is also example of ratio. But one thing is common here, which is we got 2:3, 2:3. Clear? In this example we dealt with number of boys to girls, and in this we are having rupees. So in short, what is proportion? Proportion means what? In proportion you will have 4 quantities and 3 quantities. 3 for mean proportional, continue proportion, third proportional. Clear? So first is, what is exactly proportion? Suppose you are having 4 quantities A, B, C, D. So A is to B proportion, C is to D. If A by B equals to C by D, then we can say that the given quantity is in proportion. Clear? Like this you can solve. Or this A and D, these are extreme terms. So product of extreme means A into D equals to product of means, that means B into C. Now this will be clear to you. I am solving this by an example. Check whether or not the two ratios form a proportion or not. So first quantity we are having 6 kg is to 9 kg, and second quantity we are having 10 meter is to 16 meter. So this 6 kg is to 9 kg can be written as 6 kg upon 9 kg. Kg and kg get cancelled. Then 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. You got 2 by 3, which is 2:3. And 10 meter upon 16 meter. Meter and meter get cancelled. Then 2 5 ja 10, 2 8 ja 16. So we are getting here 5 by 8. And 5 by 8 can be written as 5:8. As you can see, in the first scenario we are getting 2:3, 2 by 3, but in the second we are getting 5:8. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. That means these two are not forming a proportion. Clear? So you can write 6 kg is to 9 kg doesn't form a proportion with 10 meter is to 16 meter. Exercise 12A. Question number 1. In each of the following, check whether or not the given ratios form a proportion. First question is 8 is to 16 and 12 is to 15. So you can solve this by two methods. The first one is to divide directly 8 by 16 and 12 by 15. So 4 2 ja and 4 4 ja, 3 4 ja, 3 5 ja. So we are getting here 2 by 4. Further we can write 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So it will be like 1 by 2. And from this we are getting 4 by 5. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. That means 8 is to 16 doesn't form a proportion with 12 is to 15. So this is the first question, and the second method now I am explaining. First 8 is to 16, then proportion 12 is to 15. So we are having here 4 terms, 1 2 3 4. Product of extreme means first into last. So 8 into 15 equals to product of mean means second and third. So 15 into 8 you will get 120, clear, and 16 into 12 you will get 192. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. Means they are not forming proportion. So by these two methods you can solve. Next question. (16) is to 28 and 24 is to 42. So again two methods you are having. The first one, 16 is to 28, can be written as 16 by 28 and 24 by 42. So 2 8 ja 16, 2 14 ja 28, 2 4 ja 8, 2 7 ja 14. So we got here 4 by 7 and 6 4 ja 24, 6 7 ja 42. Now as you can see 4 by 7 and 4 by 7 both are same. That means yes, 16 is to 28 and 24 is to 42. They are forming a proportion. So like this you have to solve. Now same question you can solve by using another approach. 16 is to 28, proportion 24 is to 42. Clear? So this is A, B, C, D. First into last. First into last means product of extreme terms. So 16 into 42 equals to product of mean terms, 28 into 24. Now 16 into 42. So 16 into 42 you will get 672, and 28 into 24 again you will get 672. So as you can see these two are equal. So yes, they are forming a proportion. So now you can solve question number 1. One more question which is 5th. 15 by 18 and 10 by 12. Reduce here these two terms. So 3 5 ja 15, 3 6 ja 18, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12. Clear? So 5 by 6 and 5 by 6. That means they are forming a proportion. The last one is given 7 upon 8 and 14 is to 16. 7 upon 8 will be 7 upon 8. We can't reduce it further. And this 14 is to 16. 14 upon 16. 2 7 ja, 2 8 ja. So we are getting 7 by 8 and 7 by 8. That means they are forming a proportion. Clear? So like this you have to solve question number 1. Question number 2. Find the value of x. First question. X is to 4 equals to 6 is to 8. Now in this you are having equal sign. Suppose if you are having symbol of proportion. Symbol of proportion means what? Equal. Equal sign and proportion means same. Clear? So this is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term. The first and the fourth term is known as extreme terms. Second and third terms are mean terms. And as per rule, product of extreme terms should be equals to product of mean terms. So product of extreme terms means what? First into last. So first we are having x and last we are having 8. So x into 8 equals to product of mean terms means second and third. So which is 4 into 6. Clear? Now in this we are having only one unknown, which is x here. Clear? So we are having 8 with x in relation of multiplication. So simply we have to find what is the value of x. But for that we have to transpose this 8 to the right hand side. In left hand side, in this side, we are multiplying 8 by x. So on transposing we have to divide. So 4 into 6 divide by 8. Clear? 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja, 8, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, 6. So x equals to how much? 3. इस क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में x is to 4 equals to 6 is to 8 दिया हुआ है. फर्स्ट टर्म और लास्ट टर्म का मल्टीप्लिकेशन इक्वल्स होता है किसके? सेकेंड और थर्ड टर्म के. इसी को ही प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एक्सट्रीम टर्म्स और प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मीन टर्म्स बोलते हैं. यहाँ पे x इंटू 8 है और 4 इंटू 6 है. यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू निकालनी है. 8 इंटू हो रहा है, मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है. तो जब 8 को राइट हैंड साइड में ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे, ट्रांसपोज करेंगे, तो यहाँ पे अगर ये 8 इंटू है तो वहाँ जाके क्या हो जाएगा? डिवाइड हो जाएगा. ठीक है. So like this you have to solve question number 2. All the questions are same, you can solve, no problem. Question number 3. Find the value of x so that the given 4 numbers are in proportion. Okay. So I'm solving here third one. 2, x, 10 and 25. So first you have to arrange this. So first write 2 is to x proportion 10 is to 25. Now multiply first into last. Product of extreme terms should be equals to product of mean terms. The statement you have to write. So extreme terms are 2 and 25. Mean terms are x and 10. Now we have to find x here simply. So we have to transpose this 10 to the left hand side. So x equals to what? 2 into 25 divide by 10. यहाँ पे 10 इंटू हो रहा है. जब वहाँ जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? डिवाइड हो जाएगा. 2 1 जा 2, 2 5 जा 10, 5 1 जा 5, 5 5 जा 25. x equals to 5. तो इसको प्रोपोर्शन में लाने के लिए 5 की रिक्वायरमेंट है. So in the last you have to write 2 is to 5 proportion 10 is to 25. Now as you can see, 2 into 25 will give you 50 and 5 into 10 will give you 50. That means they are in proportion. Clear? So like this you have to solve question number 3. One more question I want to solve from 3, which is fifth one. 9, 12, x and 8. So just arrange this. 9 is to 12 proportion x is to 8. So now first into last. So 9 into 8, product of extreme terms will be equals to product of mean terms, 12 into x. Again we have to find x here, so we are multiplying 12 here. On transposing to the left hand side, we have to divide by 12. So 9 into 8 divide by 12 equals to x. So 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 4 1 ja 4 2 ja. 3 into 2, how much? 6. So x equals to how much? 6. Now arrange this. So 9 is to 12, proportion 6 is to 8. As you can see, 9 into 8, how much? 72. And 12 into 6, how much? 72. So yes, they are in proportion. So in this way you have to solve question number 3. Question number 4, 5, 6. These 3 questions are same. One question I will explain, then you have to solve other 2.